So let's see how this code works. Let's run this, and as you can see, nothing happens because this code should wait for me to say the name of an animal that you see in a folder there. It's called animals. So let's create a new folder called animals, and then let's put some images of these animals. Now, as I don't want to use images from Google or anywhere, let me make this one the dimension here something like 400 for 400, and then I'm gonna draw something, and so this is a cat, of course. So let's go into my animals folder and call this one cat. Okay, so now let me draw another animal. That is, of course, as you can see, a dog. Okay, now that we made this, let's see if this one works. Dog, cat. Okay, so it worked. The images are done, and there are no other images, but I could add another one, and so I can add as many images as I want. So maybe I could draw the image of a mouse. Call it mouse, and then let's run this again. Dog, cat, mouse. Okay, here it said wrong, try again because you didn't understand well. Let's run it again. Dog, cat, mouse. Well, the pronunciation probably it's not good, but that's how it works, and so you need to create this this folder up here, or if you don't want to use the folder, you have to delete this two things here. Okay, that's all, and that's how it works. And now we put this this code into a GitHub repository, and it will be in my in the info or in the post on my blog. And so see you next time.